Hey there, I'm reviewing the Wavy Talk Blowout Express thermal brush, and wow, my at-home styling just got a major upgrade. It's a 1.5-inch ceramic barrel brush that heats up fast and delivers that salon-worthy blowout without the salon price. I love the Ionic technology. It releases negative ions that smooth strands, lock in moisture, and cut down on frizz and tangles. It's like instant sleek hair with every stroke. What's great is that it styles, curls, and detangles all in one passo. I'm spending way less time in front of the mirror. Plus, the 3 heat settings give me total control for my fine or thicker hair days. It's also dual voltage, so I've taken it on trips without worrying about adapters. Adjusts to whatever outlet I plug into. Overall, this brush made styling effortless. If you want smoother, frizz-free hair in half the time and great portability to match, this is a fantastic tool to keep on your dresser or in your bag. I highly recommend it.